Hi there, I'm John, and I'm here to bring you a tech tip from Streamingteacher.com. Today I want to show you a couple of lesser known keyboard shortcuts in Mastercam. I'll also show you where to find the Quick Reference Card, which has a bunch of these shortcuts, and how to make your own. So let's start here. Let's say I need to trim off the ends of these lines. I can do that with my Divide tool, and the quick way to open that is with Shift and D. That opens up Divide. And now I can trim away my wireframes. Now, if I've gone a little too far, I can use Control Z to undo. But if I went a little too far with my undoing and I actually need to redo, I can use Control Y to redo. So that's another neat trick. Let's go ahead and click the green check. So next, I have this red dotted line here, and maybe that's the next thing I want to draw with a red dotted line. Instead of having to go up to my Home tab and change all of my attributes here, I can use Alt-X and then select an entity that I want to use as a base point. So if I click on my red dotted line, now all of my attributes are preset to match that line. So anything else I make will now follow the same format. Let's take a look at a couple of other tools. I'm going to go to this other Viewsheet tab. And here I have a couple of solids. Now, let's say I'm working on a mill turn machine, and I have these two parts because I have a main spindle and a sub-spindle part. By default, my rotation position for my 3D controller is going to be set at the home position. So if I want to look at my other part, it can be a little squirrely to use the 3D controller out here because that rotation position is so much farther away from the part. I can reset that with Alt F12. And now I can set a new point for my motion controller by clicking here. Now my rotation position is based right on the center of that face. If you want to save that to a view sheet, you can. Grab a new view sheet, maybe call this second position. And then make sure you right click and go into the settings for the view sheet and make sure that the motion controller rotation position is turned on. Then we can save that view sheet bookmark. When I switch between these two view sheets, my rotation position will automatically update. If you don't have a 3D controller, you can also hold down the Alt key and use the arrows on your keyboard to rotate the part around. If you want to see more of the shortcuts that are built into Mastercam, you can check out the Quick Reference Card. By default, the Quick Reference Card can be found under C, Program Files, Mastercam, the version that you're running, Mastercam, Documentation, and then EN for English. You'll find the Quick Reference Card right here. This is the Quick Reference Card. It shows you many of the shortcut keys that are available inside of Mastercam. This is many of the shortcuts that come predefined inside of Mastercam. If you want to make your own, you can do that too. Right-click in the ribbon anywhere where there is white space, and then choose Customize the ribbon. From here, you can go to the bottom where it says Keyboard Shortcuts, and click the Customize button. Now you can go through all of the categories on the left, and then choose individual functions on the right, and it will show you if there is currently a hotkey assigned to that. If there isn't already a shortcut assigned, you can click in here and type in a new keystroke that will bring up that command. If it's already assigned, you'll see it here. And if you want to reassign it, you can type that in here. Maybe I'll use Alt-Q. That shows that this is currently unassigned, so that is a valid one to use. If instead I wanted to use Alt-1, it shows me that it's already assigned to top, which is a view control. So if I did want my autosave backup to be Alt-1, I'd need to go reassign the function for top. Well, I hope you enjoyed that tech tip. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. But more importantly, if you're looking for high-quality Mastercam training content, head on over to Streamingteacher.com.